sitting at a sofa with a laptop. Now, let's switch gears and join Ollie, who is busy using his laptop. Hi, friends. I'm exploring the magical world of the internet on my laptop. I can learn new things, play educational games, and even connect with friends and family online. Crafting time. Mia, at a crafting table. Our next stop brings us to Mia, who is having a fantastic time doing some creative crafting. Hey, everyone! I love making things with my hands. Today, I'm creating a colorful masterpiece using paper, glue, and lots of imagination. Crafting is not only fun but also helps me express my creativity. First and foremost, let's talk about the physical benefits of sports. Whether it's jumping or kicking a ball, sports help enhances kids' coordination and balance, but also contributes to the development of strong and healthy muscles and bones. Wow, what an amazing day of discovery! We learned that playing football keeps us active, using a laptop opens up a world of knowledge, and crafting lets us unleash our creativity. The possibilities are endless. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Remember, every day is an opportunity to learn and have fun. See you next time.